Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check and fill your oil in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, we're going to pop the hood right underneath this kick panel here. There's a little lever. Pull that lever. To release the safety on the hood, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the passenger side. Lift up on the hood. The prop rod is right here. Lift it up and you can put it in that slot right there. The oil fill cap is right here. As you can see on this vehicle, it actually says what kind of oil it takes, Motorcraft 5W20. You can take the cap off. You can put a funnel there to add your oil. Put the cap back on. To check the oil, the dipstick is right here. Pull the dipstick out. We're going to use a clean rag. Wipe it off first. Reinsert the dipstick. Let the dipstick sit for a minute, then pull it out. And we can check the level. The level needs to be between these two little dots. And this level is perfect on this vehicle. If the level was towards the lower dot, you would want to add a little bit. Wipe it off again and reinsert the dipstick. Take the prop rod out. Put that in position. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.